Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Kids, first we use the color of black and now we draw the letter of A. Kids, the next one is B. And now we draw the letter of C. Kids, now we draw D. The next one is E. Now we draw F. And the next one is G. The next one is H. Now we draw I. J. K. Now we draw L. And the next one is M. And now we draw N. The next one is O. Kids, now we draw P. The next one is Q. Q for Queen. Now we draw R. And the next one is S. S for Sun, S for Snake. Now we draw T. And the next one is U. U for Umbrella. Kids, now we draw V. W. X. Y. Z. Now we draw numbers. First we draw the number of 1. Now we draw 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Now we draw 10. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.